Top 10 Weirdest Animals in the World. These unique animals based on their rarity and at least one characteristic that sets them apart.
Are you ready? Please subscribe our channel. Here we go!
10 Weirdest Animal. Glass frog. Transparent abdomen. The glass frog is strange because its abdomen is transparent. Therefore, you can see its internal organs. Viewers can see the heart pumping blood into the arteries and food moving through the stomach and intestines. These animals that live in tropical rainforests, like those found in Belize, Costa Rica, Colombia, Guatemala, Honduras, Mexico, and Panama, also are unique because males guard the nest until the eggs become tadpoles while the mother is nowhere to be found. 9 Weirdest Animal. Leafy sea dragon, looks like a leaf. If you are diving in the waters off the South and Central Australian coast and see something resembling a twig in the seas, you may want to pay attention because it may be a leafy sea dragon. While sea dragons look like a twig, it does not use these body parts to move through the water. Instead, it has two minuscule fins that are almost transparent that it uses to propel itself. 8 Weirdest Animal. Okapi, cousin of the giraffe. The strange coloring pattern on the okapi makes you wonder if this animal is a species of deer or zebra, but okapis are the only living relative of the giraffe. You can see the resemblance in the okapi's head. These animals that live in the Ituri forest, a dense rainforest in the Democratic Republic of the Congo, rely on their hearing to warn them when danger is nearby. 7 Weirdest Animal. Guerinic, long neck. The East Africa guerinic has an extremely long neck, but these animals are also strange because of their ability to rear up and stand on their back legs. This gives the animal the ability to pluck birds from trees and eat plants other animals cannot reach. When standing on their rear legs, they can be up to 6 feet tall. These desert animals seldom drink water. Instead, they rely on their diets to provide the liquid that they need. 6 Weirdest Animal. Markhor, spiral horns. The unusual spiral horns on the markhor can grow to be 5 feet long on mature males. This Himalayan animal has extremely wide hooves, which it uses to step on snakes and kill them. Their broad hooves may also help them keep their footing. Further making markhors look weird, males have thick, long beards of dark hair, gray and white manes, and tufts of pale-colored hair on their legs while females have only very short beards. 5 Weirdest Animal. Echidna, lay eggs. Besides the platypus, the echidna is the only mammal to lay eggs. This member of the anteater family lives in Australia, Tasmania, and Papua New Guinea, where it is a solitary animal that is active during the day and evening. Echidnas have tiny eyes, and it does not see well. It compensates by having keen hearing and a great sense of smell. The body of the echidna is covered with beige and black spines, similar to porcupines. This animal has an unusual foot because its second toe is exceptionally long. It uses this claw to comb through its body to collect bugs to eat. The echidna's short legs are extremely powerful so that it can dig into the ground quickly. 4 Weirdest Animal. Kinkajou-Tree-dwelling mammal. Except for primates, the kinkajou is the only tree-dwelling mammal. These animals can turn their feet around so that they can efficiently run backward. While the kinkajou's body is only about 20 inches long, its tail can be as long as its body. You may be able to spot this Central and South American animal that is a cousin to raccoons hanging upside down near the top of trees. It uses its long tongue to steal honey from bees as its primary food source. 3 Weirdest Animal. Lyrebirds, mimic environmental sounds. While many birds, like the mockingbirds, thrashers, and catbirds, can mimic the sounds of other birds, the lyrebird is unique because it can mimic environmental sounds. While most birds have a 4-part syrinx that they use to produce their songs, Australia's lyrebird only has a 3-part one. 2 Weirdest Animal. Myotonic goat, faints when scared. Often called fainting goats, myotonic goats have a unique defense mechanism. These animals fall when they are scared, and their limbs become rigid. Myotonic goats are born with a rare condition called myotonia congenita. When they get scared, their muscles do not relax, so they topple over. 1 Weirdest Animal. Blue glaucus, unique blue color. The blue glaucus, also known as the blue dragon, is a mollusk found in the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. The blue dragon floats through the water on its back, and it uses an air bubble on its stomach to keep it swimming. This animal has a rare feeding and protection pattern that it uses while floating the sea in groups, called fleets. It uses venom to kill other venomous marine life that is often several times its size. Then, it uses its radular teeth, like a serrated knife, to cut the animal into bite-sized pieces. While dining, it collects the venom from its food, which it then uses to kill its next prey.